Hello everyone and welcome back to Easy English Talk channel, the place where you learn English at the perfect time. I'm Emma.
Woohoo! Happy New Year! Happy 2027! Let's party!
Rahul, put down the noisemaker. It is October.
I know. I am beating the crowds. I am ready for the party before anyone else. What is the word?
You are early, extremely early.
Yes, I am early Rahul. I don't wait for the clock. I beat the clock.
Well, since you are so eager, today's topic fits you perfectly. We're talking about how to use early.
The opposite of late. The enemy of lazy.
Exactly. But before we start the countdown, we have a timely request for our listeners.
Yes, don't wait until later. Subscribe to Easy English Talk right now. Be an early subscriber.
And click the like button early in the video.
Okay, Emma, definition time. What does early actually mean?
It means before the usual or expected time.
Okay, meeting starts at 9 a.m. I arrive at 8:50 a.m. I am early.
Correct. Meeting starts at 9 a.m. I arrive at 9:10 a.m. I am late.
Meeting starts at 9 a.m. I arrive at 9 a.m. I am on time.
Perfect. You have the basic concept. But early is special because it can be two things, an adjective and an adverb.
Adjective, that describes a noun, right? Like red car or happy dog.
Yes, so we can say an early noun.
An early train, the train that comes in the morning.
An early breakfast.
An early bird.
Yes, that is a famous idiom we'll talk about later. I have an early start tomorrow, meaning I start work in the morning.
I am in my early 20s.
Oh, good usage. That means you are 20, 21, 22, not 28 or 29.
Sadly, I am in my late 20s, but in my heart, I am early.
Now, let's use it as an adverb. This describes the action, the verb.
So it goes after the verb?
Usually, yes. I woke up early.
I arrived early.
Please come early.
I finished my homework early. This is a lie. I never finish early.
But the grammar is correct. Notice that the word doesn't change. It is not earlyly. It is just early.
Thank goodness. Earlyly sounds silly.
Now, Rahul, listen carefully. This is where everyone makes mistakes. Early versus soon.
Oh, I mix these up all the time. See you early. See you soon. Are they the same?
No. Early means before the scheduled time, relative to a clock or schedule.
Soon means a short time from now, relative to the present moment.
Give me an example. Imagine it's 8 p.m. We are saying goodbye. Do you say see you early or see you soon?
I say see you soon, meaning in a short time.
Correct. But if we have a meeting tomorrow at 7 a.m., which is very morning, I say we have to meet early.
Ah, soon is fast, quickly from now. Early is in the morning or before the deadline.
Let's test you. The movie starts in 5 minutes. It is starting.
It's starting soon, a short time from now.
The movie starts at 6 a.m. That is too
early, before normal time.
perfect. Get well.
Get well soon, not get well early.
You got it.
Okay, Emma, you mentioned the bird. Tell me about the bird.
The idiom is, the early bird catches the worm.
Worms. Why do I want a worm?
You are the bird in this metaphor. It means if you start early or arrive first, you get the best success.
Ah, the early shopper gets the discount.
Exactly. The early student gets the best seat.
The early Rahul gets the freshest donut.
Yes, that is the spirit. So if someone is always waking up early and energetic, we call them an early bird.
Are you an early bird, Emma?
Yes, I love mornings. What about you?
No, I am a night owl.
That's the opposite. Someone who stays up late.
Hoot hoot, night owl is much cooler.
Another phrase is better late than never.
That's my motto. It means it's okay if I'm late as long as I arrive.
But early is on time and on time is late.
Who says that?
Strict bosses. It means you should always be early. Let's practice. We're going to the airport.
Okay, I'm packing my bags.
The flight is at 10 a.m. What time should we leave?
We should leave early. Maybe at 7 a.m.?
Good idea. We don't want to be late. At the airport. Look, there's no line at security.
That's because we arrived early. If we came later, it would be busy.
Now we have to wait for 2 hours.
That's the problem with being early. You get bored.
But we can get coffee.
Okay, the coffee shop is opening soon, right?
Yes, in 5 minutes.
See, I used early, arrived before time, and soon, opening in 5 minutes. I am a genius.
Okay, put away the party hat. Let's review.
Let's break it down.
1. The meaning. Before the expected time. Before the usual time.
2. Adjective. An early morning, an early train.
3. Adverb. I woke up early. I arrived early.
4. Early versus soon. Early relative to the schedule, morning before deadline. Soon, short time from now. See you soon.
5. The idiom. The early bird catches the worm. Be first to win.
6. The personality. Are you an early bird, morning person, or a night owl, late person?
I'm a tired pigeon. Is that an option?
We can make that an option.
Listeners, we want to know about your routine.
Yes, in the comments below, answer this. Are you an early bird or a night owl?
Do you like waking up at 5 a.m. or do you prefer staying up until 2 a.m.?
Tell us the truth and tell us why.
I'm a night owl because I like quiet time.
I'm an early bird because I like the sunrise.
I'm an early bird because my cat wakes me up. Tell us in English.
Please subscribe to Easy English Talk. Do it early so you don't miss the next video.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Put on the party hat. Happy New Year, everyone. See you soon.